Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to try and add some things to my Etsy. A few of you have inquired as to when I will be restocking my Etsy, so I'm going to try and get that issue remedied. So here right in front of me I have a very basic kit, and I'm listing this kit. It'll be 5 because the next video I've got that I'm going to upload, it's about some of the books that I put in my journals, because you guys, some of you were asking about some of those books. But first I wanted to get some of the these kits out of the way first, so you have that option of purchasing as well. But anyway, so there are going to be 5 total of the basic kit right here, and everything is going to be the same except the Edith Holden pages, these pages, and the botanical postcards, and I'll show you the difference in them. So this is going to be the first kit, and all the kits will have one of these napkins. This will be in the first kit, and that's just the back of them. Each kit will have 5 each of these envelopes and the weekly time records. And so here is also where we differ. And I'm going to flip through these images because, you know, someone may want a particular bird or butterfly or flower. So this is the first kit, and this is what you're going to get with that. The kingfisher and the skylark. Love that. The Paris peacock and the dragon swallowtail. I ought to keep that for myself. Frangipani, however you say that. And that's the sweet bay. So there's no point also in showing the Edith Holden pages. I'm just going to show this one to show you the variety. So I've got a chunk also of some of these more modern print of Shakespeare. I've got a couple of these pages of the language books. I love adding these to journals. And someone asked me, and I cannot, I don't see the comment anymore, but someone asked me where I get the Shakespeare books because they're hard to find. The first one that I got, it was really vintage, which is where these come from, was from a vintage bookstore in Austin. So that's where I got the first one. The others, I just did some shopping around on the internet and found those. So these are just typical pages of the Edith Holden I'm going to include in the main kit. Now you guys know that with these plain pages you can make something beautiful out of them. So don't be shocked at the plain page or plain pages. And these are just some smaller pages of the Shakespeare book. And I like the smaller pages because you can oftentimes have them sitting upright versus the larger pages have to be folded and placed in there in your signature like so. And I've got some old music paper, and there are 4 pages, which is a total of 8 pages of that. Okay, so that's the first one. Now what I want to do is show you guys, like I said, the difference in the kits, and that will be the first one, very basic. And on the second kit, I've got to keep these in order because I don't have them. The second kit, you're going to get these 2 images, and these birds. Here are the butterflies and the flowers. That will be kit number 2. For kit number 3, it will be these 2, along with these birds. This set of butterflies. And these flowers. Aztec. So I hope this is not confusing. I've done it this way, trying to be as simple as possible without confusing anyone. And this will be kit number 3. I'm confusing myself. 1, 2, 3. This will be kit number 4. Okay, kit number 4. I should have written them down, but I'll go back and do that. American tree swallow. Interesting name for a butterfly. Felix's hair streak. Beautiful. Brimstone wing. Turk's cap lily for the flowers. And the coastal Banksia. Okay, so this will be in the last kit. Those 2. And this will be kit number 5. The golden pheasant. And a whistling duck. It's a nice pheasant, isn't it? Okay, you've got the Madagascar giant swallowtail and the poplar admiral. And for the flowers, you've got this beautiful orchid and the bird of paradise. And that is kit number 5. And I want to make these small videos because I am having a long time loading. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm not sure which one I'm going to upload next. Either the books that I use or another kit. Thank you all for watching. Have a lovely night, day, evening, wherever you are.